Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe on my channel for me. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be combating a stinky washing machine. One that you walk by and you're like, whew, man, that thing stinks. Well, guess what? This one, again, I got this one free off of Facebook Marketplace, and it definitely stinks. So I want to make sure that I get that all cleaned up before I sell this to the next person. So I found an easy way that you guys can get underneath this pulsator right here to get all that sludge. I'm sure you guys have seen those infomercials now that have that soap tab that you throw in there and it brings all the bubbles up and it brings all the nastiness out and everything like that. That's great, but it doesn't get underneath this pulsator to get all the junk out of there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm working on a Samsung top-load washing machine. There's other machines out there that have the same similar setup too as well. So it'll be beneficial for you for both of those, or for any of the washing machine that you work on that's got this pulsator. It doesn't have the agitator anymore, so it does have this pulsator. Now, what tools are you going to need? Honestly, all you're gonna need is these little picks right here. I got these at Harbor Freight for $2 or $3 for like a pack of them. Super cheap, and these things will save your life when trying to get this thing up off of there. Next thing you're gonna need is a 10 millimeter ratchet to get the clutch bolt that's in there out. So with that being said, let's go ahead and kind of divulge into this thing, see what we can find out. I want to make sure that I get it nice and clean before I sell it and somebody else has it. So first thing you want to do, take this little pick right here, and you're going to have a little cap. And you want to take that cap, and you're just going to pop that cap right off of there. You want to be super careful though, because what happens is it's got these little tabs on there. If you break one of those tabs, then you got to get a whole new cap. And then you can see that we've got the bolt here that's now exposed. So we're going to take our ratchet 10 millimeter bolt here, and we're going to get this thing out of there. Now, I've got a long extension on here just because I didn't want to have my arm blocking the camera there. Alright, so that clutch bolt, 10 millimeter, coming on out of there. I call it a clutch bolt because it's directly in tying with the clutch down there, but it also pulls the pulsator there. Alright, so I got that removed out of there. Now, here's where I take my picks. And you'll see two little like grooves where that cap was in. I just take those two picks, put them right in there, and I lift up. Boom, there you go. Now, this is out of there. And if there's any junk or sludge or anything like that that's still left inside of here, you can see this is kind of nasty through here, so I'm going to clean that up too as well. But yeah, so super easy how to get that off of there, and then how you want to put it back on. Bring it in. Get it all lined up. There you go. Now, what happens if you don't have these or can't get a hold of these? Can you do it with just your regular hand? No, I can't do it with my regular hand because my hands are all slippery. So I take a pair of gloves and get it. These gloves work really good. These ones that look like they're dipped in sandpaper here. I can actually think that I can take one here, put on the other one. And I can get down in here. I got big hands, so I can just actually grip it and bring it right up. So, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, nope. Gotta use two hands, grip down, take it right up. Put it back on. Put your clutch bolt back in there. Put your cap back on. Alright, put that back on there, and you're good to go. Alright, that's how you do it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.